What do we really want? Are you confused that what I really want from this life? Is it that you feel sometimes that you are going in the wrong direction? If you are having any of these confusion, watch this short video where I tell you 6 important needs that every human being has, and if you tend to those needs, or if you are aware that these are your needs, you are definitely going to have a powerful life. My name is Darshana, and I'm going to talk to you about 6 needs that a human being has in his life and that will make him feel accomplished. Okay, so the first thing, okay, any person needs, okay, is certainty. We all want certainty in our life, isn't it? We want to be certain about our career. We want to be certain about our relationship. We want certain about our results. If you are a student, you want that I should be certain that I get 80% and above marks or 90% and above marks. I'm studying so hard so that I get 90% marks in my boards. Some of you may have 80% marks in my boards. Then similarly, for people who are into career, they feel that if I reach the 50 lakh mark, I'm going to be certain, I'm going to be so good. If I have a car, if I have a 3-bedroom hall kitchen house, an apartment, I'm going to be happy. So, you may have different aspirations, but basically we need to be certain about what we want. That is the first need. Now, the second need, it's a little weird, okay? So, first need is that we want to be certain. But when we are certain, when we know that, okay, I have reached the 50 lakh benchmark or I have reached the 1 crore benchmark, I've been doing that one, it's very easy for me to now, I've created my systems and my business in such a manner that I can get 1 crore. For students, you have already reached a level where you can get 90%. And you're absolutely sure, you've got all the skills, best tutors, and you're going to get it. What happens after that? We start getting bored. Even in a relationship, you've got the best relationship, the most desirable person in your life. And then what happens? You start feeling bored. Then you start getting distracted. You want to socialize, you want to go party, you want to, do things, enjoy and feel fulfilled by doing other things. Now, it means that uncertainty is also something that we need. As we need certainty, we also need uncertainty. That is, we need variety. Okay? So, if you have the best relationship in your life, still you want to meet your friends, you want to meet with your family, you want to meet new people, you want to talk to new business clients, right? Similarly, a student who is doing very well in the examination feels so bored that now wants to try another subject, wants to have more challenges, isn't it? So, uncertainty is also that we need. Okay, now let us move on to the third thing. Third thing is that we have a need for significance. We want to be unique, we want to be significant. So that we should be unique, we dress up in a manner, okay? We talk in a manner, or we buy a particular car that you are unique, a particular house to show that you are unique, or maybe a camera or a phone, or a trip to show that you're unique, you're different, you're significant, right? So even for the students, so that they are significant, they are want to be significant, they start answering the questions, they want to talk to the teacher, they want to show their marks, they want to discuss about their performance, they want to give more and more tests, so they are significant, right? In a relationship also, same thing, you will do things that show that you are so good. You're such a good partner. You want to be significant. You want to be different. You want to do something different for your spouse. You want to do something different for your child. You're such a significant parent. Right? Yes. And now again, the fourth one is a contrast to this. As I told you, the third one is you want to be unique. The fourth need is that you want to be connected. We want to be like them. Because when you're unique, you're significant, you stand out so much that you start feeling alone. That you feel that you are, not able to connect with people. And there are so many expectations for one's please let me be, I don't want to be significant. Because you're significant, you're looked up to all the time. Where people have high expectations. And for once, you don't want to be significant. Yes? So once you've become significant, once you've become unique, now you want to be ordinary. You want to be connected to everyone. Like, look at the celebrities. They're so significant. But unfortunately, they are not able to mingle up with people. They can't just walk the garden. They just can't do things which other people can do. So there is a need to be connected. There is a need to be insignificant as well. Ordinary. So as you are extraordinary, you also have a need to be ordinary and connected to everybody, so that people can just come up to you. Right? Yes. Now, the fifth one is, this is something, so the first four that I told you are contradicting each other. Whereas the fifth one is, you have a need for personal growth. You have a need to grow. Now, this is something that all of us have, and it is not contradicting. Everybody wants to become better than what they are. Like as I told you, that you may be certain, but because you want to become better, you want to invite that uncertainty, you want variety. You may be significant, but because you want better connection with everybody, you want to be ordinary. So you want to become better, you want to have a better life, you want to have a better relationship, you want to have a better connection with your child, you want to have better marks, or you want to have better career, better experiences with learning. So to get better, to feel better, for personal growth, this is a need. Personal growth is also a human need, so that we feel accomplished. And my friends, the last one is the most important and my personal favorite. You have a need to give away yourself to your community. There is a need that you want to share your gifts with everybody. And there is a need that you should give away whatever you have beyond what you can. So I'll give you this example. Like, suppose you are a homemaker, okay? You are giving away yourself to your family, your time, your skills, your talents, your service, and you want to give it away more than you can, and then you feel so fulfilled. Like if you fed your family with the best of your ability, you feel so fulfilled, right? So those who can identify that this is a need and start working in that direction are definitely going to have fulfilled life. So you may be certain, you may dwell in uncertainty, you get significance, you get connected, you are growing in your personal domain each and every day. And the last step that is going to give you ultimate fulfillment is when you give away yourself in service, and more and beyond that you could. So if like you are a teacher, the day when you have served your students beyond your capacity, you feel accomplished, right? Similarly, if you are into your job, and the day when you really worked and you have got tremendous results for your company, and you have really used and consumed yourself to get that result, you feel so fulfilled. Now there's another thing that we wait for this to be acknowledged by other people. We want that other people should take a note of whatever we have done. Now if you leave that aside, the real fulfillment comes when you have given yourself completely beyond you could give. So let me quickly revise the 6 needs that a human being has to feel completely accomplished. The first one is a need to be certain. The second one is the need to have variety, that is uncertainty. Third is the need to be significant, unique and stand out. Fourth is to feel connected, ordinary and insignificant, to be just like everybody else. The fifth need is the need for personal growth. And the last and the final need is to contribute and give away yourself to your community more than you can. I hope you got value from this video. Please comment and let me know what are your takeaways. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Darshana signing off.